Good morning, first year GNM. So I was taking environmental hygiene, right? In that next topic was air. I was taking already. Okay. In that air, I was taken what is the constitution of air, what is that air pollutant, what is the definition of air pollutant. I was taken once poisonous air that is fumed in the environment, and what are the reason behind this, and what are the types of air pollutant. I finished. So next topic on air pollutant, how it will affect on the health. Air pollutant effect on their health. Okay, first is carbon monoxide. First is carbon monoxide. How it is means carbon monoxide. What is the source? How it is affecting the air pollutant? That means transportation source. In that transportation, that vehicles that fume is coming, air is coming out, means that fumes it will affect the air, means it will vapor with the air pollutant, so it will affect. Next, forest fires. And if you're keeping in the forest, we have put any fire, that fumes is coming, no, so it will affect the air pollutant. Next, charcoal stoves, stoves, in that also it's that fume is coming, no, due to that. Then gas heater, these are the solid waste disposal. These are the source of carbon monoxide. Okay, first one, prevent means, or how it will affect on the health, air pollutant. How to prevent means how it will affect on the health. What are the example? That means carbon monoxide. Okay, carbon monoxide source I told, where and all it's coming, the carbon monoxide. So how it will affect on the health? Firstly, affects the human metabolism. Metabolism is there, no? So digestive system tract, so metabolism it will affect. Secondly, it will affect the central nervous system like giddiness, extension, etc. Okay, effects on human metabolism and central nervous system. How it will affect on the health, air pollutant? First one is carbon monoxide. What and all source I told, where and all this carbon monoxide, where is the fumes and all it's coming, I told the example, and how it will affect on the health I told. Okay, next is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a major health problem. It increasing the temperature. Temperature, what is a normal temperature, what is high temperature, so it is keep on increasing. How it will affect on the health means nausea and headache. Nausea means there is a feeling of sensation to vomit. Okay, that is nausea. Headache means generally headache. Okay, this is carbon dioxide. First is carbon monoxide, second one is carbon dioxide. Number third is oxide of nitrogen. Oxide of nitrogen. Oxide of carbon, it's include both nitrogen monoxide and nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen monoxide is a combination of both carbon monoxide. It is means I know that some people you can't able to understand this one. If you are in science program, they know how it will extend. Actually, we have carbon dioxide from the plants. We will get the oxygen, right? Same like that only this action. So oxide, how it will affect on the health? Giddiness, giddiness. We fall suddenly with unconsciousness. Next, irritation to alveoli. Alveoli, it is a branch of this heart. That alveoli, this part is, it will affect. Nextly, that acute bronchitis. Bronchitis means it is an infection or inflammation of the bronchus. This is the oxide of nitrogen. First one is carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and oxide of nitrogen. Number 4, how will it affect? Already I told. Next, oxide of sulfur. Oxide of sulfur is sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. It is a burning of solid waste. How it will affect means irritation of respiratory tract and bronchitis. Respiratory tract means upper and lower is the part of respiratory system. Upper and lower it will affect. Next, bronchitis means it is infection or inflammation of bronchus. Ozone, it is a type of air pollutant. Interaction between the primary and atmosphere. Atmosphere also primary also how ozone. How it will affect on the health means ozone. Irritation of eye. Eye will get irritated if your fume is coming. Next, irritation of nose and throat, it will get irritated. Cough, headache, laryngitis, pharyngitis. Laryngitis means it is infection of larynx. Pharyngitis means infection of pharynx. It is a part of respiratory tract system. I think you might be studying in anatomy. Next, irritation of respiratory tract. I'll repeat: irritation of eye, irritation of nose and throat, cough, headache, laryngitis, pharyngitis, and irritation to respiratory tract. This is the ozone. Next, coming to hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon, it is a natural fires in complete combination with the incineration. Okay, how it will affect on the health? That means respiratory, irritation of respiratory tract and bronchitis and laryngitis. So already I told, that is a hydrocarbon. Next, lead, it is a motor fuel. the motor vehicle will get fuel, no, that is lit. So how it will affect on the health? That was hematological problem, means HP, means blood disorders. Next, neurological problems and nervous. Next, candimum, it is a source of candimum. Next, how it will affect on the health? Candimum is steel industry. Industry means, industry means a factory. It's depend upon steel. Means it's in that industry steel earning. Next, waste incineration, means biological waste management. Next, tobacco and tobacco. These are the effect on health. So it's nothing. I'll give the notes. You just go through it. One, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Air pollutant, how it will affect on the health? Carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, oxide of nitrogen, then oxide of sulfur, hydrocarbon, lead 7 I told, and how it will affect on the health. They given the examples. This is about the what air pollutant effect on the health. So next, coming to how to prevent this one, how to control the air pollutant. Air pollutant, you understood now what is air pollutant and what is the reason of the air pollutant and what is the classification of air pollutant. Next, how to prevent and control this air pollutant means, firstly, prevention and control of air pollution at source. Means where the source, exactly where that air pollutant, means so many source I don't know, this and all area. Source means where air pollutant is coming, where the source. So this and all area it's coming. So firstly you should concentrate on that. What is the reason for this air pollutant? How to prevent that air pollutant? So means chamber is a round shape, small hole they will do. In that only small only air is coming, that fume is coming out. It's not affecting the air. So little it's coming. So it's not spreading. Means it's not affecting that much. It is evaporating in the air. It's that much. It's not affecting the air pollutant. And charcoal more is there. No, you should wash and you should use charcoal. And more fumes is coming. So before using the charcoal, you should wash that one. Then you should use it. Then the consistency will become less. That is the prevention. Next, installation means fully top high level. We should fumes the air. In the if down level, if you are fuming, that environment and surrounding is there, so it will affect. So high level you should in the atmosphere we should leave. It will, that fume will go up, so it will not affect on the air in the people. Next, diffusion of pollutants. The upper atmospheric layer, that only diffusion of pollutant means. Plant and tree means plant helps to control the air pollutant actually by making carbon dioxide releasing during respiration of men. So we will give oxygen, means respirate what carbon dioxide to plant, and tree, from the tree oxygen you will get. So it is maintained and balanced. It is good. So they only control that one, establish. Next, zoning, ZONING. This is also one of the prevention. That means where and all people is not staying. This fact means where and all people is not saying that's a community area, like so many people are staying that particular area. So apart from that, we should make industries on not in particular area. We should make apartments separate. In that what we did the industry in that area. In that area, nobody should be there. Means people should not stay in that particular area. Separately we should do. So what under fumes, what under air it's coming in that area, it will go up. So it is not affecting the people. Zoning means separately we should do. Next, disinfecting the air. Disinfection means sterilizing the air content. It to reduce the mechanical ventilation. Ultraviolet lamps, lamps they will put the fumes. So fumes will go inside only. It won't. If your opening lamp is not there, means it will go very fast. Lamp is there, means down street, bactericides. These are the prevention. So it's nothing. Air pollutant, how the air pollutant is affecting the human beings and how it will affect on the health, and how to prevent that one. Prevention, I'll repeat once more. First one is prevention and collection of air pollutant at source. Second one is installation of population control equipments. Third one is diffusion of pollutants. Fourth one is plant the trees. Fifth one is zoning. Sixth one is disinfecting the air. This is about the air pollutant. What is air? If they are asking the question air pollutant, what is air pollutant? I give the definition. And what are the reason for this air pollutant? What is the types of air pollutant? How it will affect on the health? How to prevent? This much is enough. Okay. you have any doubt, you just go through the videos. If you have any doubts anywhere, you clarify the things. I'll give the notes regarding this. Means I won't give fully. I written what is the air pollutant, what is the reasons, and what is the classifications, and how it will affect on the health, and how to prevent the disease. This is about air pollutant. It's coming under environmental hygiene, second unit second. First topic is water, already I taken. Second topic is air. Okay, thank you.